So today in this class, we discuss about the
Recording in
conditional
progress.
conditional formatting. The last class we
Okay.
discussed our custom formatting and normal formatting, but today we discuss how can format with condition. Like that, we have this is the unit column. Or I want to highlight more than 15 quantity. Okay, which sale have more than 15 that goods and below the 15 they are not good. So I want to highlight. Okay.
Okay.
So go to the first select your area, go to the conditional formatting, select the highlight sales rules, and there is the many things. The first we have greater than. Select the greater than. In the greater than, you have by default see here some value, but you have change here according to your requirement. So say I have typed the 15, and this is the you can see here default color will highlighted your numbers greater than 15, but you have changed the color according to your requirement, just like some fixed color. Otherwise, click on the custom format. Custom format. The custom format,
Okay.
here is the level your formatting. Just like we have selected the yellow color. And now press the OK. Every number greater than 15 will colored, and also maintain the your format. Just like there is the we have typed the 16. Press the enter. You can see here 16 will be highlighted, and 50 typed only for 5 color will be disappear. So not only for the highlight will be maintained according to the sales changes. Okay.
Okay.
So you select the data, go to the highlight sales rules, and there is some option just like greater than we have discussed, less than, between. You can highlight the highlight any value, less than value, highlight the between value, and in both of the three options we have used the number and date. Just like I want to highlight greater than 1 June. So we have select here greater than and type here 1 dash 2. See here highlighted. And
Okay.
I want to
Okay.
also highlight between 1 and 2. So go to the between, type 1 dash June and select 2 dash June. Yeah, any your date. So you have highlight according the number and date and time. Highlight greater than, less than, between, and equal to. You have type, you have entered any value, any cell value, just like number, text, anything. Just like I want to highlight 12. So conditional formatting equal to 12. Select the 12, 12 will be highlighted here, right?
Correct.
I want to highlight the Om, the customer name Om. Where is the customer name Om highlighted? So go to the highlight equal to, type the Om, Om will be highlighted. And you can also change the color according to requirement from here. And you want to
Okay.
also highlight date. So select the date. I want to highlight the 2nd June. So equal to 2 dash June. So highlighted here. Okay. And you can also change the date according to
Okay.
requirement. But some problem, sometime I have not data for exact. Just like we have the product 3D CL, 3D CPL. So both are the same, but some typing mistake where you type the CL and somewhere type the CPL. Somewhere CL and somewhere CPL. But I want to highlight according to 3D. 3D. So select the column, go to the conditional formatting, highlight. Here is the text that contain. Text that contain, you have typed the some part of the your text, just like 3D. You can see here. So every 3D, 3D with CL, 3D CPL will be highlighted here. Okay,
Okay.
I have also highlight the 500. So here is the only for XE, here the XE 500. Both are the same product. So we have typed the 500, so 500 highlighted. So contain not for start, not for and, anywhere in the text. Your match text anywhere in your cell will be highlighted. So match the some part of the text. Okay. Do you understand the text
Okay.
that contain?
Yeah, 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 understand. Yeah.
Next is the date occurring. Date occurring. So if you have, if I have typed here our system date, just like 20th, and we have typed. So I want to the current system date highlighted. Today is the 26th, so 26 highlighted. So you can also highlight with equals 26 October will be highlighted here, right? See here highlighted.
Yeah.
But this is the fix. If you open this file tomorrow, 26 is also highlighted. Not a change 26 to 27. Because I have a type here fixed date, right? But I want to
Correct.
highlight my date according my system date. If system date will change, highlight also change. That time we have used the conditional formatting highlight sales rule. We have select the date occurring. Select the date occurring, a date occurring, and here is the your date, just like today. So today will be highlighted, and when the press the OK, and tomorrow if you open this file, you can see your date will be changed 26 to 27. Okay, because this is a connected your
Okay.
system date. So yesterday date highlighted, today date highlighted, tomorrow date highlighted, the last 7 days will be highlighted, next last week, next week, this week, next month, this month, last month, you have highlighted. Okay,
Okay.
so we have used the date occurring. Now duplicate value. If you have realized any locations your number will be repeated, then you have select the duplicate value, or where is the duplicate, your duplicate value will be highlighted.
Correct.
Suppose that I have typed the mobile number. Yes, here mobile number is three times highlighted. So I want to type account number here, right?
Okay.
Account number, and sorry, account number. I don't want to type any duplicate number in the cell. If a person will be typed, then highlight and so message to this is the number is highlighted. Okay, for so go to the highlight cells, duplicate value, and here is also unique, but we have used the duplicate and press the OK. Type here one, and if you type the one anywhere in this column, both are the one will be highlighted. If you type it twice, thrice, fourth, your number will be highlighted. Every number will be
Duplicate
highlighted.
one.
Okay, so this is the highlight.
Okay.
So now we have discussed about highlight sales rules. This in the greater
Greater,
than, less
less,
than,
between,
between,
equal to,
text that
like date
contain
occurring,
date occurring and duplicate. Any problem with these
duplicate.
options?
Nothing, nothing. Text that contains, okay, nothing, nothing. Yeah, yeah, nothing. Highlight and set rules, it's okay.
Okay, now we have used the top one. So
Okay.
I want to highlight the top 10 sales. Top 10. So go to the highlight top 10, select the top 10. So every top 10 number will be highlighted here. You can see the 20, and below also a number will be highlighted. You can see 20, 20, 20 many times. So 20 will be highlighted 5 times. Okay. Now you have also highlight the bottom 10. Select the bottom 10 items. So every bottom 10 items, yeah, bottom 13 items, bottom 100 items will be highlighted. And you can also change the formatting from here. And you can also see here uh, top 10 percentage and bottom 10%. So both are the features related to percentile formula. So in future we discuss the percentile, then we discuss these features. Okay. Now above average. Every selections value have an average. Say here, this is the average is the 10. So when you select the above average, so greater than 10 will be highlighted, and when you change the number, your average will be changed, also highlight will be changed. Okay, so automatically calculate and maintain your average, and according to average your number will be highlighted. Also you select the below average, so less than 10 will be highlighted, right? But problem is that कि how can I identify कि this number is like we have select the 8, how can know कि 8 is the highest value, lowest value या mid value? That time we have used data bar. Data bar create the bar according your value size of column. Just like we have typed, the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and select this number and apply the data. You can see your number consistently increase, your also bar size will be increased. Okay, we have also realized 1 is the lowest, 5 is the middle, and 10 is the highest.
Yeah.
So when you have the large data, because we have not create the bar chart of the large data, that time we have used the bar data bar from the conditional format. Okay,
Okay.
now this is the color scale. You can also highlight same features, this data bar with color, just like color red to green. Red is the lower, green is the upper, and yellow is the middle. Both are the different colors, and also both are the different bar. But you want to give the clear message, this is the middle, this is the upper, so use the icon set. Go to icon set, select icon, your arrow key clear the give message, this is the lower, middle, and upper. Okay, clear, sir?
Okay. Okay.
So we have applied a lot of the data bars, different categories and different messages you can apply. But when you have
Okay.
when you create the dashboards, and in the dashboard you
Yeah.
also use these icons for the visualization. Just like we have quarter one data and we have quarter two. Quarter two one is the 50, quarter two is the 55. So you have give the message that quarter two is the low down, and quarter one is the down, quarter two is the up. This is a small number. You have also imagine, you also see, and you have understand that this is the greater and shorter. But when you have the data large, just like billions, that time we
Correct.
have not comparing the without mathematics, use the mathematics. So that time we have used the icon set. The icon set, yeah, it's the clarity message. 50 is the lower, 55 is the upper. If you number is the billions, clear
Yeah.
message that this
Clear.
is the
Yeah.
upper, this is the lower. But but you have not used the icon, then need to calculation here, right?
Yes.
But use the icon set, you have also used this. So in the dashboard we have used this type of the features, right, sir?
Okay. Okay. Good.
So today we discuss the highlights, top buttons, data bar,
Data
color
bar,
scale,
color scale,
and icon set.
and icon set. Yeah.
Both are the most used command in the conditional formatting, but not a
Okay.
complete, because some feature is hidden, just like greater than equal to, less than equal to, not equal to, and begin with, and with. So both some features, and you have the custom calculations. You have the condition, not your condition is not in the list, and you do want to apply. So that time we use the more rules and new rules, more rules and new rules. But these features we
Okay.
have discussed tomorrow. So today we
Okay.
have practiced these features, and tomorrow we
Okay.
connect and
Okay.
discuss the advanced conditional formatting.